All right, here we are, the blizzard of 2011. Woo! Look at all of this snow in Georgia. These are tire tracks. Look at this. It's quiet, just like a snowy night should be. Although we occasionally do see people drive down this road. No one's coming.
Here comes a car.
No way.
Yep.
See? All right, I'm gonna risk my life so that y'all can see this. And we're gonna see exactly how fast this car is going.
Oh, he's going slow.
And this one seems to be taking his time. You can't move.
Okay. I'm the tripod.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, he's probably gonna think we're weird.
No worse than him. He's driving. I'm in front of my house.
He was going pretty fast.
I hope I didn't distract him with my waving.
All
He
right.
waved and freaking crashed. That would have been funny.
I know, right? No, it wouldn't have been funny.
I think so. In that ironic kind of way.